First of all, good morning to everyone. Students, today I am going to discuss these all topics: NetBeans, components, how to create a project, and properties of JFrame font. Okay. Now, just now I am going to show you the PPT through which I will discuss the introductory part, how you can work and what are the main components, okay, of your NetBeans. Students, just now you can see what is NetBeans. That definition is written on the screen. NetBeans is used to create Java application. Now, very easily using the efficient GUI builder. I will discuss what is GUI builder. It allows us to develop application by dragging and positioning GUI components from a palette onto a container. Okay, students, there will be having different controls. Okay, and that control you have to bring it, yes, on your phone. Okay, like suppose I want to write enter your name. This will be my label box. That control I will bring it on my phone. Okay, the GUI builder automatically takes care of the correct spacing and alignment of different components relative to each other. Okay, that I will discuss later on, my dear. Now, next part that you can see, this is my, yes, Windows. Okay, which Windows? That is of NetBeans ID. Okay, there you can see different components available over there. You all know what is title bar. Yes, you all know menu. Okay, now the next part, that is your, now, what is a GUI builder? Okay, actually, when I'm talking about the GUI builder, then two views that comes, yes, in my mind. That will be the design view, and other one will be the source view. See, student, both are different, my dear. When I'm talking about the design view, where you can have your interface and bring all your controls. But when I'm talking about the source view, that means what the coding that you are going to use for your form or for your control, okay, that you can do it. Okay, like suppose I want to exit. I want to exit, yes, from my phone. Then we have system.exit 0. Okay, so there you have the different coding, yes, for your different controls. Now, the next one is a palette. Yes, what is a palette? Yes, it contains your controls or components. Okay. Now, what is the inspector window? Yes, this window is to display all the components, or you can say display all the controls that you have placed on your phone. Now, what is the properties of Windows? You know, every control has its own properties. Okay, like suppose when I'm talking about my, yes, command button, okay, or I'm talking about the label box, there I have my different properties. That is, I can make my font italics, bold, I can change the background. So these all will be my properties, and these all properties you can say by the help of properties window. When I will discuss, yes, the program, okay, yes, and where I will use the coding, I will discuss this all topics again, my dear. Now the next one is code editor window. See, actually this editor window will help you to write the codes, okay. So whatever the codes you want to use for your controls, you can write in this window, okay. Now the next one is components, that is also known as widgets, okay. Yes, actually these are the basic interface elements, okay, the user interacts with, okay, like JLabel. That means where you can use the labeling of your, yes, text boxes, like how enter the username. This you must have to use in the label box, and after that you will use JText field. I'm just showing this one on the board, okay, you can see it, okay, yeah. Now friend, this is my form, and I'm going to use the text field and the label box. Okay. Now enter your name. This should be used by the help of JLabel button. Okay, JLabel, JLabel control. Next, I will use, here I will use text field, my dear. Here when I will run my form, yes, at that time it will ask me what to enter. Yes, what to enter? Your name. Okay. Same way, if I want one more control, and that will ask the roll number. Again, I will go for my text field. But here it is categorized, my dear. When I'm talking about this one, then this one will be JLabel 1. This one will be JLabel. Okay, we are having JLabel 1, JLabel 2. How many labels that you will create? As per that, you'll be having the numbering. Now, next to that label box, we have the text field. So, J text field 1. This will be J text field 2. Now, suppose you want to submit this all information, then you will be going for your J button. This will be my J button 1. Okay, here you can use cancel also. Suppose I don't want to get this information. Okay, I want to leave these all information. These informations are not important for me. So in that case, what I will use? Cancel. This will be J button. Okay, so like this we are doing the topics, yes, in our native. Okay, now student, my next topic is, yes, what are controls? Okay, so before that, let me, yes, Now, now I'm going to discuss controls. Okay. Actually, there are two types of controls. Okay. And what are that two controls? One is the parent one, and other one is child one. Okay, wait. Now, friends, I'm going to discuss parent and child control. See, when I'm talking about the parent, yes, it plays an important role because whatever the controls, child controls that you are going to place it, that all will be placed inside the parent control. Just you can see it. What is the parent? That is also called as a container control. They act as a background for other control. For example, your frame where you have your form. When we delete a parent control, all its child controls gets deleted. When we move a parent control, all its child control also move along with. Now, I'm giving one example. It is just like your file and folder. Actually, it is not file and folder, but what you can do with your file and folder, the same you can do it. Like, suppose I have my 5 files. Can I place these all files, 5 files in a folder? Yes. But if I delete a folder, what will happen? Whatever the files that are kept inside the folder, that also will be deleted. Okay. Same here. When I'm talking about, yes, my file. Okay. Then can I delete one file from the folder? Yes. But will other 4 files will be affected? No. Just before that, I have given you, I have shown you a form where I have enter your name and then a text box. If suppose I will delete my label box, if I will delete my label box, will my form also be deleted? No. Okay. So actually, this is the main difference. Yes, between your file and folder. Same way here also. If you are having your parent control and if you have inside the child control, it means moving the parent control means what? You are going to move your child control also. Okay. So whatever the component that I place inside the form, that all are child control. Just now I have shown you text field, label, and the button. Now you can see, actually this is my control. You see, which is categorized in two parts. One is the main one, that is a parent. You can see it. And the next one, that is my control. Okay. So actually these all which I am showing here, these all are placed inside my container control. Okay. Now the next part is how you will create a new project. Listen, my dear, inside the project, we have our application form. Okay. So first of all, you have to create your project. Now there can be question, sir, can we have different forms in one project? Yes, you can have many forms. One form that will be related with the details of the student. Other form you can have that is regarding the record of the students. That means class test 4 marks. Yes, you can have, my dear. Okay. Actually, project is the main one which is to be created at first by you. Okay. You see, I'm showing you, wait. Students, you can see it. Actually, you see here, watch it carefully. Book is my project. You see, book is my project. And inside the project, I have kept my multiple fonts. You see, one font that is example 1, another one is example 2, another is example 3, example 4, example 5. Like that, you can have many fonts inside your project. So please keep it in mind whenever you are doing any work. First of all, you must have to create your project, and after that, what the form, yes, which type of form that you are going to make it, that you can do it. I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear.